B plain 196, B minus 206, C plus 90, C plain 6. And Sukur has a mean of 8.568. So we want to appreciate the 2024 class for the good result that we have received, and also thank our stakeholders for being there for us, for supporting the school to ensure that we attain this good result. And I hope that as we start preparing the 2025 result, the 2025 candidates, our result is going to be better than what we have right away now. So otherwise, I want to thank you for being here with us and being good partners, and we'll continue doing the same for the good of our children whom we have been given to take care of us. Asante.